Welcome to the brand new 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 in sterling metallic. This truck is powered by a 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel, bolted up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the AT4, starting on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power adjustable and folding mirrors, electronic parking brake, button-activated trailer and driving modes, automatic headlights and fog lights toggle, heads-up display controls, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with paddle shifters, full digital gauge cluster, heads-up display I previously mentioned, 13.4-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, push-to-start ignition, dual-zone climate control, shifter and integrated trailer braking are in the center console, Bose audio all throughout the vehicle, and the rear-view mirror camera. Taking a look at the exterior of the AT4, starting off with the 20-inch machined aluminum wheels with carbon gray accents, paired up to Goodyear Wrangler tires. Moving right along, we have paint-matched door handles, AT4 badging on the doors, blacked-out mirrors with LEDs, Duramax turbo diesel plaques on the fenders, and in the front of the vehicle, red GMC badge in the center of the grille, AT4 badge in the grille as well, red recovery hooks, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this truck is remote fuel equipped, rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around. As we make our way around the back of the vehicle, we have side steps built into either side of the bumper, twin chrome-tipped exhaust, towing packages installed, AT4, Sierra, and GMC badging, all on GM's MultiPro tailgate. Heading back inside the AT4, back seats here have in-seat storage. Seats are also car seat ready and come in a 60-40 split. Cup holders come down in the middle. Rear power sliding window. Bose audio continues throughout the back of the vehicle, and here in the center console we have the controls for your heated leather seats as well as 2 USB charging ports. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the brand new 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.